Hello again, just a quick video unboxing this Mictuning or Mictuning 8-gang switch panel off AliExpress. These are 84 quid. A couple of stickers. And the switch panel sticker sheets, plenty of options, instruction book, and the switch panel itself. So I went with this over the aux beam panel because you can dim it yourself manually and change the colour, whereas the aux beam one is automatic dimming. So that's a switch panel and plenty of wiring that runs back to the fuse board. Feels like it's a Ali case. Nice buttons, and then there's a breaker, resettable breaker for the main power feed, and this is the main control box fuse board. So it's a plastic cover with spare fuses on the inside. And that is your main board with obviously fuses, 8 different connection points for your outputs, and then input for the earth and main feed, and for your switch panel. These have built-in relays. Again, it's an aluminium case. Feels fairly solid. Also get a little screwdriver for connecting the cables, a feed for, this is for plugging into the fuse box for running a power feed to it to turn it on and off. Fusible link for if you wanted to take power from your fuse board. Power and earth cables, obviously all the screws, nuts and bolts, and an Allen key. And this is the mount for the fuse board itself. And then there's a couple of different mounts for the switch panel. So there's one for mounting it flat onto a flat surface, and then one for mounting it so you can change the angle. Some cable ties, another mount for flat mounting the fuse board, and that's it. Say, first impressions are good for this. It's feels fairly solid and well built. The idea with this is that I'm going to fit it into the campervan so that I can run all my additional lighting off this, as well as the engine preheater, diesel preheater. Rather than having loads of switches on the dashboard, you just have this. And then I'll hide the fuse board under the bonnet somewhere. Just makes it a neater install. But that is the Mictuning P1S 8-gang switch panel off AliExpress, 84 quid delivered in the UK. Thank you.